What we are going to do in this video is to use long division to divide a polynomial by a polynomial. Most of the time we are going to divide a polynomial by a binomial. So let's divide the polynomial x squared plus 2x plus 1 by the binomial x plus 1. Don't get confused when this is written as a fraction. These both expressions are exactly the same. Before you start, always make sure that the terms are arranged in descending order, like in this example. In other words, you start with the highest degree and move your way down to the lowest degree in both terms respectively. The first thing we are going to do is to set up the long division problem. X squared plus 2x plus 1 divided by x plus 1. If you are not confident with the regular long division method, feel free to watch my video about it. X squared divided by x is x. We see when dividing a polynomial by a polynomial, we always divide first by the x and not by the whole expression. So again, x squared divided by x is x. And x times x is x squared. When we multiply back, we have to make sure we multiply the x also by the 1. So x times 1 is x. Now we subtract like in regular long division. Write your subtraction sign and don't forget the parentheses. So x squared minus x squared is 0 and 2x minus x is x. Be careful here. We subtract a positive number. Now we do the same like in regular division. We bring down the 1 and do the same division steps like before with x plus 1. So x divided by x is 1. One times x is x, and 1 times 1 is 1. X plus 1 minus x plus 1 is 0, and we are done with this problem. So x squared plus 2x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 is x plus 1. What about x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5x minus 6 divided by x plus 1? Again, the first thing we're going to do is to set up the long division problem. X cubed divided by x is x squared. X squared times x is x cubed. And x squared times 1 is x squared. X cubed minus x cubed is 0, and 2x squared minus x squared is x squared. Bring down the negative 5x. X squared divided by x is x. X times x is x squared. X times 1 is x. X squared minus x squared is 0, and negative 5x minus x is negative 6x. Bring down the negative 6. Negative 6x divided by x is negative 6. Negative 6 times x is negative 6x. And negative 6 times 1 is negative 6. Negative 6x minus 6 minus negative 6x minus 6 is 0, and we are done with this problem. So x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5x minus 6 divided by x plus 1 is x squared plus x minus 6. What about this example? X cubed plus 6x squared minus 32 divided by x minus 2. X cubed divided by x is x squared. X squared times x is x cubed. X squared times negative 2 is negative x squared. And after subtracting, we get 8x squared. And don't make the mistake here to bring down the negative 32, because after x squared, we have to bring down something with an x. Something with an x is missing here, so we have to bring down 0 times x. Eight x squared divided by x is 8x. Eight x times x is 8x squared. And 8x times negative 2 is negative 16x. Eight x squared minus 8x squared is 0. And 0x minus the negative of 16x is positive 16x. Now we can bring down the negative 32. Sixteen x divided by x is 16. 16 times x is 16x. And 16 times negative 2 is negative 32. Sixteen x minus 32 minus 16x minus 32 is 0, and we are done with this problem. Let's divide negative 2x cubed plus 5x squared plus 16x minus 16 by x minus 4. Negative 2x cubed divided by x is negative 2x squared. Negative 2x squared times x is negative 2x cubed. And negative 2x squared times negative 4 is plus 8x squared. Negative 2x cubed minus the negative of 2x cubed is 0. And 5x squared minus 8x squared is negative 3x squared. Bring down the 16x. Negative 3x squared divided by x is negative 3x. Negative 3x times x is negative 3x squared. And negative 3x times negative 4 is positive 12x. (16x) minus 12x is 4x. Bring down the negative 16. 4x divided by x is 4. 4 times x is 4x. And 4 times negative 4 is negative 16. 4x minus 16 minus 4x minus 16 is 0, and we're done with this problem. So negative 2x cubed plus 5x squared plus 16x minus 16 divided by x minus 4 is negative 2x squared minus 3x plus 4. Now, let's divide x to the fourth plus 2x squared minus 3 by x plus 2. X to the fourth divided by x is x cubed. X cubed times x is x to the fourth. X cubed times 2 is 2x cubed. X to the fourth minus x to the fourth is 0. We have to be careful here. We can't subtract 2x cubed from 2x squared. We only can subtract 2x cubed from something with x cubed. How many x cubed do we have here? 0, exactly. So 0x cubed minus 2x cubed is minus 2x cubed. Bring down 2x squared. Negative 2x cubed divided by x is negative 2x squared. Negative 2x squared times x is negative 2x cubed, and negative 2x squared times 2 is negative 4x squared. Negative 2x cubed plus 2x cubed is 0, and 2x squared plus 4x squared is 6x squared. Again, be careful here. Don't bring down the negative 3 here. In descending order, after x squared comes the x. How many x do we have here? 0. So bring down 0x. 6x squared divided by x is 6x. 6x times x is 6x squared. And 6x times 2 is 12x. 6x squared minus 6x squared is 0, and 0x minus 12x is minus 12x. Now we can bring down the negative 3. Minus 12x divided by x is minus 12. Minus 12 times x is minus 12x, and negative 12 times 2 is negative 24. Negative 12x plus 12x is 0, and negative 3 plus 24 is 21. So the remainder is 21. Therefore, the solution is x cubed minus 2x squared plus 6x minus 12 plus 21 over x plus 2. Let's solve the last example. X cubed minus 6x squared minus x plus 6 divided by x minus 1. X cubed divided by x is x squared. X squared times x is x cubed. And x squared times negative 1 is negative x squared. X cubed minus x cubed is 0, and negative 6x squared plus x squared is negative 5x squared. Bring down the negative x. Negative 5x squared divided by x is negative 5x. Negative 5x times x is negative 5x squared, and negative 5x times negative 1 is 5x. Negative 5x squared plus 5x squared is 0, and negative x minus 5x is negative 6x. Bring down the 6. Negative 6x divided by x is negative 6. Negative 6 times x is negative 6x, and negative 6 times negative 1 is 6. Negative 6x plus 6 minus negative 6x plus 6 is 0. So the remainder is 0. So therefore, the solution is x squared minus 5x minus 6. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments. This video is what I did for you. If you want to do something for me, hit the bell button, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy learning, everyone.